Chapter 5. Tools of Word Processor. Learning Targets. Features of Word 2019. Saving a document. Selecting text. Using mouse and keyboard. Copying and moving text. Using spelling and grammar feature. Creating a new document. Adding text in a document. Deleting the text. Undo and redo commands using the thesaurus. Microsoft Word is a program you use to make documents with text and pictures. You can type letters, notes, poems, stories, and other things in it. In the previous grade, you learned how to create and save a document in MS Word. In this chapter, you will learn about some important editing tools of Word program. Features of Word 2019. Word program is developed by Microsoft. You can use Word program to type letters, stories, and reports easily. Copy, move, and delete text when needed. Save your documents to use later. Change how text looks, like making it uppercase or lowercase. Check your document for spelling and grammatical errors. Insert pictures in your document. Before moving further, let us now recall some topics learned in the previous grade. Starting MS Word. To start Word 2019, click on the Start button. Word. Creating a new document. To create a new document, follow these steps. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Select the new option in the list. 3. On the new screen, choose the blank document option. A new blank document opens on the screen. You can start working on it. Saving a document. To save a document, follow these steps. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. In the left pane, select Save option. Or click on the Save button, present on the Quick Access toolbar. 3. In the Save As screen, double-click on this PC option or click on Browse option. 4. In the Save As dialog box, go to the File Name box and type a suitable name for your document. 5. Click on the Save button. Note: the file will automatically have the Docs extension added to the name. Editing a document. Editing means making changes to the text in a document. When you edit a document, you can insert new text, highlight and select text, copy and move text, delete text, check for spelling and grammatical mistakes. Let us now learn how to edit a document. Tech info. To insert a blank line between two lines of text, press the Enter key at the end of the first line. Inserting new text. In a document, adding new text in between the existing text is called inserting text. You can easily add new text anywhere in your document. To do so, 1. Place the cursor where you want to add the new text. 2. Start typing the new text. You will see that the existing text after the cursor automatically moves to the right. Selecting text. To make changes to text, you first need to select it. You can select text using either a mouse or a keyboard. Selecting text using a mouse. The following table, Table 5.1, lists some of the methods to select the text using a mouse. To select action, a block of text, drag the mouse over the text. One word, double-click the word. One line of text, move the pointer to the blank area, left of the line, selection bar. When the cursor shape changes to a right-pointing arrow, click it. A paragraph, triple-click anywhere in the paragraph. Entire document, move the pointer to the top left of the document. When the cursor shape changes to a right-pointing arrow, triple-click it. Selecting text. using a keyboard. The following table lists some of the key combinations to select text using a keyboard. Key combination, description. Shift plus right arrow. Pressing it once selects one character to the right. Shift plus left arrow. It selects one character to the left. Shift plus left arrow. This key combination selects the text from the current cursor position to the beginning of the line. Shift plus end. It selects the text from the current cursor position to the end of the line. Ctrl plus A. Pressing this key combination selects the entire document at once. Deleting the text. To delete a character, press either the delete key or the backspace key. The delete key removes the character to the right of the cursor position. The backspace key removes the character to the left of the cursor position. To delete a block of text, select the text and then press either the delete key or the backspace key. Undo and redo commands. The undo command lets you cancel the last action you did. You can find this button on the Quick Access toolbar. For example, if you deleted a word, you might want to put it back in the same place. To do this, press the undo command on the Quick Access toolbar. The redo command restores the action that you undid with the undo command. In other words, it lets you redo what you had undone. The redo command is also present on the Quick Access toolbar. Using spelling and grammar feature. Sometimes we make mistakes while typing. Word helps by finding these mistakes in your document. Red wavy underlines show spelling errors. Blue wavy underlines show grammatical or contextual errors. Keyboard hacks. Copy. Ctrl plus C. Cut. Ctrl plus X. Paste. Ctrl plus V. Undo. Ctrl plus C. Redo. Ctrl plus Y. Note: Word also adds red wavy lines under the words that are not available in its built-in dictionary. This may include the names of people, places, animals, and countries. The spelling and grammar feature helps in checking for spelling and grammatical mistakes in your entire document. The steps to check for a spelling error are given below. 1. Select the misspelled word or place the cursor on it. 2. Go to the Review tab. 3. Click on the Spelling and Grammar option in the Proofing group. The Proofing task pane with spelling suggestions appears on the right side of the window. 4. For each error in the document, Word offers one or more suggestions. Select a suggestion and click on it to make the change. You can also choose one of these options. Ignore once keeps the error as it is in the current location. Ignore all ignores the error throughout the entire document. Add to dictionary adds the misspelled word to the inbuilt dictionary of Word. Remember, when a word is added to the dictionary, it will not be highlighted as an error in the future. 2. When Word finishes checking spelling, it shows a message box. Click Yes to complete the process. The steps to check for grammatical errors are: 1. Select the grammatical error or place the cursor on it. 2. Go to the Review tab. 3. Click on the Spelling and Grammar option in the Proofing group. The entire sentence gets highlighted in gray. The Proofing task pane with grammar suggestions appears on the right side of the window. 4. Click on the suggested solution. The correction will be applied to the document area. Note: click on the Ignore Once option if you do not wish to correct the error. TechBite. You can start the spelling and grammar check by pressing the F7 key. To correct a spelling or grammatical mistake, right-click on the word and choose a suitable option from the shortcut menu. Using the thesaurus. Word has a built-in tool called the thesaurus. It helps you find words with similar meanings, synonyms, and opposite meanings, antonyms. Using the thesaurus feature can improve your vocabulary and suggest better words for your sentences. The steps to use the thesaurus are: 1. Select the word or place the cursor on the word to look for its synonym. 2. On the Review tab, click on the thesaurus option in the Proofing group. A list of synonyms and antonyms, if any, appears in the thesaurus task pane on the right side of the window. 3. To replace the word with the suitable synonym, place the pointer over the desired word. It gets highlighted. 4. Click on the down arrow next to the word and select the Insert option. The existing word gets replaced by the selected synonym. Tech tip: you can also find synonyms by right-clicking on the word and selecting synonyms from the shortcut menu. To replace the word with the synonym, choose the desired option from the list that appears. Wrap up: Microsoft Word is a word processing program developed by Microsoft. Editing means making changes to the text within a document. The delete key removes the character to the right of the cursor, while the backspace key removes the character to the left. Copy option is used to create a duplicate of the selected text. Cut command removes the selected text from its original location. Paste command puts copied or cut text in a new location. Undo command cancels the last action, and redo command restores it. The thesaurus feature finds words with similar meanings, synonyms, and opposite meanings, antonyms.